Good day, sir. I will present the topic on Mercantile Selling and Composite Selling, and I will explain when to use and how to solve the problem step by step. So, our topic is all about Mercantile Selling and Method. Mercantile Selling is used for long distance navigation. It combines the principle of plain sailing and parallel sailing, but it corrects for the curvature of the Earth using meridional parts. So these values help us accurately compute longitude differences and course. So we have the formula summary. First is the difference of latitude, which is a DLAT. Next is the difference of longitude, which is a DLOM. Next is the meridional parts, which is a MP1 and MP2. And last is the meridional difference, which is DMP equals MP2 minus MP1. So we have the sample problem. Find the true course and distance. So we have the given latitude 18 degrees 54 minutes north and longitude 073 degrees and 00 east, and we have the latitude 13 degrees and 12 minutes north and longitude 053 degrees 00 minutes east. So first step is we need to calculate the daylight, which is a difference in latitude. So latitude 18 degrees 54 minutes north minus latitude 13 degrees and 12 minutes north equals 5 degrees and 42 minutes south. So since the arrival latitude is smaller, so the name of the latitude, which is south. So next is we need to convert into minutes. So 5 times 60 plus 42 equals 342 minutes or 342 nautical miles. So next, we need to calculate the DLO, which is the difference in longitude. So longitude 073 degrees and 00 minutes is minus longitude 053 degrees and 00 minutes is equals 20 degrees and 00 is. So since the arrival longitude is smaller, going from the east to east, the direction is west. So wait for the 73 east to 53 east is west. But here we subtract the 53 from 73, so we have the 20 east. So let's assume going west from 73 to 53. And the second is the DLO. So 20 degrees and 00 minutes west, or 20 times 60 equals 1200 minutes or miles. So next, we need to find the marginal parts, which is MP from the tables. So number 1, MP at 18 degrees and 54 minutes north. We have the 1144.6, and number 2, MP at the 13 degrees and 12 minutes north. We have the 795.0. So we need to calculate the DMP, which is the difference in meridional parts. So DMP equals 1144.6 minus 795.0. We have the 349.6. So next, we need to calculate the true course. So we have the formula of true course. Tan C equals DLO over DMP. So tan C equals 1,200 over 349.6. So we have the 3.4325, and course equals shift tan 3.4 325. So we have the 73 degrees and 45.5 minutes. So since we went to the south and west, so the course is south 73 degrees and 45.5 minutes west. So next we need to calculate the distance. So the formula of distance equals d lat over cos c. So distance equals 342 over cos 73 and 45.5 minutes. So we have the 342 and over 0.28. So the answer is 1230.2 nautical miles. So when to use Mercator sailing? So we use Mercator sailing for long ocean passage where accuracy is important and where the track is not following a great circle. So the next topic, it's all about the composite sailing method. So composite sailing method is used for a very long voyage, especially in high latitude. So it combines grid circle sailing and ram line sailing. A ship issues a grid circle at the middle of the voyage for the shortest distance and then switches to a ram line near the endpoints to avoid high latitude dangers like ice. So the step to solve the composite sailing, first we need to identify the vertex latitude, which is the high latitude reach. And the second, we need to calculate the longitude of the vertex. Third is determine the distance along the great circle portion. Fourth is determine the ram line segments. And last, add all the distance together for the total distance. So here the simple example explanation for composite sailing. So for example, if a ship sails from latitude 20 degrees north to 30 degrees north, we get the meridional parts for both latitude and subtract them to get the DMP and use the tangent formula to find the course. After that, we calculate distance using the cosine of the course. So the visual is the short label sketch showing DLAT and DLON and DMP. So when to use the composite sailing? So it is used when the shortest path is needed but extreme latitude must be avoided by connecting great circle and ram line path. So conclusion. So the summary of our topic on Mercator sailing and composite sailing is Mercator sailing uses meridional parts to accurately calculate course and distance, while composite sailing makes great circle and ram line sailing to get the shortest and safest route. So both methods are essential for long distance marine navigation. So thank you po, sir.